Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're always shopping at Walmart and want to squeeze more value out of your purchases, you're going to love this tip on using Rakuten. Rakuten is a super easy cashback platform that partners with big stores like Walmart to give you money back on what you buy. It's free to use and can help you save big time. Who doesn't love getting paid to shop? First, let's get you started. Head over to the Rakuten website or download the app from your phone's app store. Signing up is a breeze. Just enter your email, pick a password, and verify your account. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Walmart and hit enter. Rakuten will show you the current cashback offers for Walmart, which could be a percentage back on your total spend. Now, here's the key step. Don't just jump straight to Walmart's website. Instead, click on the Walmart link directly from Rakuten. This activates the cashback for your session, so every purchase you make gets tracked. Go ahead and shop as you normally would. Add items to your cart, check out, and complete your order. After your shopping spree, Rakuten will automatically track your purchase and add the cashback to your account. It might take a few days to show up, but once it does, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal or even get a check in the mail when you reach the minimum threshold, usually around $5. One quick tip. Always make sure you're logged into Rakuten and clicking through their site before shopping to avoid missing out on cashback. It's that simple. Using Rakuten at Walmart means you're turning your routine trips into smart savings. Give it a try on your next Walmart run and watch your wallet thank you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.